Hi, fourth grade. For those of you who were not able to make it to one of our Schoology trainings, or maybe you did make it, but you just need a little refresher, we are going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is go to your internet browser. And then once you're here, you're going to go up to the address bar and you're going to type clever.com /in/GSSD. So it's clever.com /in/GSSD, enter. Okay, once you get here, you have two options. If you have your Clever badge with the QR code, you can click here, make sure your camera is on, and hold it up to the camera, and it will give you a check mark and log you in. If you don't have a Clever badge, you're going to click Login with Active Directory. This is where you need to put in your username. So your username is your graduation year, which is 2029, and then the last four letters, the first four letters of your last name, so mine would be Chev, and then the first four letters of your first name, which mine is Kelly, and then at GSLIONS.net. Then when it asks you for your password, I'm not going to click next because this actually isn't my username. It's the number that you used to use to type in at the cafeteria. So it's like a 317 or 316. I believe it's a 6-digit number. If for some reason you do not know this info, reach out to your teacher and we will show you that. We will get that for you. So I'm going to log in as myself to show you what will happen after you get logged in. Once you're here, it logs you on to a platform called Clever. Here, you should see a bunch of squares with different colored owls and your teacher's name. So if you go to one of your teachers, you'll see all the apps that they've loaded for you to use. For right now, we just want you to try to get in Schoology, whether you're going on through my page, Kay Shepchick, or if you're going in through L. Thomas, you want to go to Schoology. Once you click Schoology, it should have this information in there for you. Again, just asking your username and password, same thing that you just typed in.
You may have to retype that in after you hit go to Schoology, your username.
And then after you do get in, all of your courses will come up. So you're going to see language arts here with Mrs. Thomas. They may not be in this order. You'll see math with me. You're going to have a counseling page for Mrs. Zioli. You're going to have science. You'll have social studies. You will also have all of your encore classes. For this week, we just want to make sure that you can use math and language arts. So if you click on my math page, you're going to scroll past my virtual classroom. And then here you're going to see your daily assignments. Before I click there, I also want to show you, if you keep scrolling down, you can find all my Zoom information here. So you can click right in this box to join any Zoom meetings with me, or you can type in this information into Zoom. Going up here, you can also access Clever from my Schoology page. If you are a student who comes to Nicely Monday and Tuesday and you're at home Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, or you're at home Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and come to school Thursday and Friday, you are considered a hybrid student. So you would click this circle. Here, I've attached Clever Directions in case you need those again. If you have a printer, that might be something good to print out and keep at home. And I've also attached directions for Map Accelerator. That's what we've been using with the iPads in school when you've been logging on Khan Academy. That's what we call Map Accelerator. So the directions for that are here also. If you click, this is what we're going to be working right now. the emergency closure folder since we were not expecting to be home this week. Here you'll see two different schedules. If you're a group A person coming to school Monday and Tuesday, you're going to follow this daily schedule. If you've misplaced the packet that we sent home with you, down here, there's an attached document with that whole packet in there for you to print. If you're a group B student, you're going to complete this row in your for your daily work. The only difference is you are going to finish up your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday agenda activities before you start your emergency packet. I believe that's all the information I have for you for math. Like I said, we want to make sure you can get in here and see all of your assignments, and also you can be working on Map Accelerator just like we were doing in school, following your learning path while you're at home. Mrs. Thomas, Ms. Jameson, can you think of anything I'm forgetting for math?
I don't think so. I will add these clever directions will help you to get into your vocabulary city as well. I don't have clever directions listed, but if you click my name, once you're in clever, you'll see that vocabulary city tab. And that's the one we were working on for the Latin roots. So you have to make sure that you're in the right list, which is Latin roots. And you have to make sure you go in the drop down in the top right and click on my name. Everybody in this school has an account for Vocabulary City, but I'm the only one that actually assigned you activities for it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen now. Let's not, uh-oh. Oh no. Okay, you knew I'd messed the video up, right? Okay, wait. I've lost all of my.
They were there when you hit share screen.
Where did they go? I'm wondering.
It looks like you unshared.
I did unshare,
Okay.
but it's because my Schoology is not there. So hang on a second. Let's just do this. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you. Sorry for the fumbling. Okay, so same deal. You will get in, Mrs. Shevchuk showed you, here's your English language arts, and that's where you go for your assignments. You need to scroll past, that's our daily schedule right there, but you just scroll past that. And right here at the top, you'll see it says Zoom meetings. If you click on that, this will take you into the Zoom meetings that you'll have with me for class. And then you click this top link and it will take you right into the Zoom. There's no password necessary or needed, no numbers to type in, because that's just a recurring Zoom that we have for class each day. Now, just like Mrs. Shevchuk's folder said, here's your emergency closure folder, and this is where you'll be this week. Follow exactly what Mrs. Shevchuk said for Group A. You're starting on day 1 of the emergency packet. Group B, you have your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday packets with you that are a review of the instruction that we did. We want you working in those on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you'll start day 1 of the closure packet. Okay, and this is review of the things we've already done. Inside, right on top, you'll find a schedule of, it breaks up everything in there for you and tells you what to read out of the Journeys book, and tells you the blue workbook pages that go along with that for practice. And again, if you misplaced it, here's the practice activities. Notice every time I hover over one of these, a hand appears. That means you can click on it and it will appear. And here it is, week 1 closure. I just want to show one more thing. When you see this PDF and you're clicking this and your screen doesn't change, it's because it's down here. And you just click that arrow, click open, and the packet will appear. Okay. So that's the packet that we're following this week. That's the schedule that we're following this week that Mrs. Shevchuk showed you. If you get into language arts, here's your Zoom meeting right here. Here's the packet with the schedule and everything that you need. Okay.
Good luck. Let us know if you need any help.
See you later.